Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Gamespot. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gamespot.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gamespot website. Now if you have forgotten your password, then in order to reset this, click on the account icon at the top right corner to enter within the login portal. Now within the right side, underneath the login section, you will see a forgot password button. Go ahead and click on this, and now you will be asked to enter your email address. Just type in the email address that you used while signing up for your account and click on the submit button. You will then be asked to check your inbox. So just log in to the email address that you just entered and you will see an email from Gamespot. Once you open this email, just click on the link within and this will take you into your password reset page. Just type in your desired new password within the new password box and then enter this password once again for confirmation within the repeat password section. After entering this new password twice, click on the change password button and your password will immediately be changed on your Gamespot account. And now you will be able to use this newly set password along with your original email address to log into your account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Gamespot. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.